Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to disable sound effects in the Duolingo app. If you find the sound effects distracting or just want a quieter learning experience, this guide will help you turn them off. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the profile icon. Then, on the top right, tap on the settings icon. This will open the full list of customization options for your account. Find the section labeled Preferences. Tap on it to open your sound settings. Now you'll see the toggle for sound effects. Simply switch it off to disable all in-app sound effects during lessons and practice sessions. Finally, go back by tapping the back arrow and be sure to click Done at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the sound effects in your Duolingo app. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick app tutorials.